Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am filming my April setup in my Business Traveler's Notebook. This kit is the April the Giraffe kit, and it was voted on by my patrons, so thank you so much to my patrons who participated in that vote because I was really between a few different kits for my setup, and I'm really glad that I went with this April the Giraffe one. And of course, it's fitting because it is April. And so I made an extra page that is specific for my business related needs. So I have a couple extra headers that are not typically included in this kit, but if you are interested in the kit, I will go ahead and link it in the description down below. I am also bringing in a lot of gold in this kit. This particular washi tape is from Simply Gilded. It is the solid gold washi tape, and the bows are transparent. And so I really like using washi tape with this theme, but this was prior to me including washi tape in my kit, so I decided just to bring in a regular roll of washi tape, and the gold is just perfect with those different tones. And I'm trying something new here. So I do mess up a few different times, but it's okay because I'm not worried about it. So I am using the stencil that just came out. It is the heart stencil, and I'm using one of the lines to make my checklist for my master task list. So I'm really excited about it, and it gave me a great idea for a future stencil. So just be on the lookout for that. It's going to be pretty cool. I'm really excited about it, but I really liked how it ended up turning out. I did keep messing up and scooting it over a little bit. Again, this was my first time ever doing that, so I really like how it turned out, though. I like the little hearts as a checklist. And so, again, I did not have washi with this kit, so I decided to take a bunch of these, like, quote-unquote tape sheets that are stickers, and I put them on either side of these header stickers. And so that worked out really well. And I'm doing my normal setup where I have a monthly goals section and a monthly review section, and so I have different business-related goals each month. So you can see I have chosen 3 different goals for the month, and I use progress bar stickers from my shop, and basically each segment is 25% of that quote-unquote goal. And so while I am working on that project or goal, I will fill out those progress bars. And then down at the bottom is my monthly review where I put my social media stats. And then I really liked doing this in a previous month, so I wanted to create kind of a journaling space. So I put about this month in the sticky note sheets from that kit, and left just a random amount of space so that I could journal in for the month. Moving on, I am putting my finances together. So I like to do a separate area for income and for expenses. I forgot to do a sticker for those 2 different words, so I just left it and decided to do my own lettering on there, even though it's a little hard to read from a distance, but when you're looking at the close up, it's not that hard to read. So I like to track my income a different way than I usually do for my business. So I track the income streams, which is Patreon, YouTube, affiliate, shops, and then other. I like to have a catch-all because sometimes something comes along that is not expected and it's really helpful to have that kind of catch-all. So then I will put my income for each of those revenue streams and then put my April total into that box. And then of course my expenses, I just list out my expenses. And next to that, I had a video playlist. It just helps me visualize the different types of videos and plan the different types of videos that I will be doing in the month of April. So for those that don't know, I am on the design team for Archer and Olive. So I like to include a spread in my traveler's notebook because I have a lot of tasks and dates associated with Archer and Olive specifically. So I have a calendar and then an area to write important dates related to Archer and Olive things, and then a task list for things that are due for Archer and Olive, as well as a page for any meeting notes and things that I need to jot down that are related to Archer and Olive releases and things like that. So this spread has been extremely helpful since I started the design team, so I'm definitely going to continue doing that every single month. And you can see where I screwed up a couple times. So I'm just using a white jelly roll because I have literal ink everywhere all over my hands. So you can see that like I was holding the page down with like 2 fingers because the rest of my fingers had ink on them. But it's okay. I'm very messy when I do any sort of crafty things. Moving on, I have a project development section. So I have been working on a lot of projects for things that are to come. I can't give a lot of details yet, but there's 2 main projects that I've been working on. So I have a page for each of those things, and I'm using the sticky notes so that I can write each of the projects that are on those sticky notes. And then I have a progress bar associated with each of those projects. So that is super, super helpful for me. And that is my business traveler's notebook set up for the month of April. Thank you so much for watching this setup. Thank you to my patrons who picked this kit for this month. If you would like to join my Patreon, all the links will be below. There's a lot of great benefits to that. If you want to watch some more videos, they are linked here. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that kind of jazz. I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.